Hey, Mark Nelson. Have you ever wanted to learn how to market high-ticket items? When I first got started, what was the biggest challenge was when I got started in network marketing, man, I was only making like $25, $50 a product. And to make the income I wanted, it just seemed like I had to market forever. And in network marketing, you have other people marketing too. I totally understand that, but it seemed like I kept seeing people market high-ticket items, and they scared the crap out of me. Hey, Keisha Arms, how are you doing? So, I want to talk to you about this. How do you market high-ticket items? Here's what I did. I joined a company called Invisible Empire with a product called Renaissance. And I did it for a couple reasons, because Invisible Empire really is a training community. And I wanted to learn from these top marketers how to market high-ticket items. And Invisible Empire actually has 35 or 36 training modules on how to market a high-ticket item. And there's two keys to this. For a high-ticket item, you need to learn how to bring traffic to you. And then you need a funnel that captures their information and then either takes them to a training webinar or your sales page. And to tell you the truth, I had none of these. None of them. So I joined this reason, I told you that before, this company for two reasons. In Invisible Empire, because of the training in the community, it had big time marketers in it. And going through that training, I finally learned how to market correctly, going through a gamified approach of taking me by hand and teaching me all these ins and outs of this. But the key was here. For a high ticket item, I needed a funnel. And I needed to learn how to drive traffic to that funnel. And I didn't know, I knew how to do some of them, but not some of these funnels that you see out there. They're so amazing. Hey, Jedediah, how are you doing? So the key part of this is that, you know what? When I got on here, they did everything for me. See, I do have a high ticket product right now. And it is so cool. It really is. And I didn't know how to do anything, but all I had to do was click and get this funnel started for me. And they didn't take me by the hand. I just had to follow directions to get my funnel up and running. And then I had to learn how to bring people to that funnel, which I've been learning how to do as I go along, but they have the marketing exactly for that. The coolest part, when I got that funnel up, I had 3 people go all the way through it to where I reached out to them. See, the biggest thing when I'm talking high ticket, I started weighing the things. So I want to market a $50 product, a $100 product, where I make $25, $20, $10, or do I want to try to learn how to market a high ticket item where I earn, $1,000 to $3K. I want to do the $3K. See, if I make 3 sales, if you make 3 sales a month, guess what? That's $9,000 a month. That's $100,000 a year. I want to learn how to do that. So I got something very special for you. If you'd like to see that done for you web class, training class, put freedom in the comments below and I'll shoot you the link and just watch your way through it. See if it makes sense to you. See if this is something that's so exciting that you could do this. So hey, if you're coming on the replay, put a 1 down below. If you're live, put a 2. Tell me where you're coming from. And again, if you want to see the funnel for a high ticket item that I didn't do, I wish I would. I worked with some mentors that are just unstinking believable. They did it. They told me what I needed to do to get it up and going. Put freedom below in the comments and I will send you a link to that funnel. You take care. Peace out. Bye.